Mastering demonstrative pronouns. Point with precision. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our English language learning series. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a very important aspect of English grammar: demonstrative pronouns. These little linguistic tools can help you refer to things with accuracy and ease. So, get your notes ready because we're about to unlock the power of demonstrative pronouns in English. Demonstrative pronouns are words that we use to point to specific things or people in sentences. These include the words this, that, these, and those. They can stand alone, replacing nouns in a sentence, and are used to demonstrate or point out specific things. Here's an example. Instead of saying, "The book is on the table," we can replace the book with a demonstrative pronoun and say, "This is on the table." The word this has replaced the book in the sentence. Now that we know what demonstrative pronouns are, let's learn when to use them. This is where context and distance play important roles. This and these are used to refer to things that are close to the speaker or ideas that are currently being discussed. This is used for singular items, and these is used for plural items. For example, "This is my car," or "These are my friends." That and those are used to refer to things that are further away from the speaker, or ideas that were mentioned previously. That is used for singular items, and those is used for plural items. For instance, "That is your house," or "Those were the days." Great! Now, let's put what we've learned into practice. Remember, the more we practice, the better we understand. 1. Take a sentence with a noun or a noun phrase, like, "The apple is delicious." Try replacing the noun with a demonstrative pronoun. "This is delicious." 2. Think about the context. If you're talking about something far away, use that or those. If you're discussing something nearby, use this or these. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep replacing nouns with demonstrative pronouns until you're comfortable with the concept. And there you have it, folks. You've just added another valuable tool to your English grammar toolbox. Demonstrative pronouns might seem small, but they play a big role in making your language precise and your communication clear. Keep practicing, and soon, using these pronouns will become second nature to you. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this lesson has been helpful. Tune in next time for more exciting English lessons. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.